So now I'm here to tell you that you have 4 relationships with money. And those 4 relationships are the instinctive, the emotional, the practical, and the spiritual. And each one is key to the effectiveness of your decision making, the success of your overall financial plan, as well as your overall well-being and happiness. Right? Now, the interesting thing is that these 4 relationships are connected to the hardwiring of your brain. In fact, we actually have 3 brains, and those 3 brains are the instinctive, the emotional, and the thinking brains, right? And the first 2, the instinctive and the emotional, are in alignment with the first 2 relationships that we have with money, right? The instinctive and the emotional relationships with money. And then the thinking brain is aligned with our practical and, yes, spiritual relationships with money. And what a lot of people don't realize when it comes to the thinking brain, right? They believe that the thinking brain is only about that which is logical and rational, right? We talk about decision-making that's emotional versus decision-making that is logical and rational. While the thinking brain isn't just about the logical and rational, it is also about the spiritual, right? Because it is within the thinking brain that we have access to our higher consciousness, or sometimes I refer to that as our higher self, our spirit self, or think of it in this way, that which is heart-centered, right? So for example, we talk about getting to know what our inner core values are and living by those core values. What we're talking about is being in alignment, or having our decisions in alignment with that which is of the utmost importance to us, right? In other words, our decision making is in alignment with our core values, right? And when that happens, we know we are in alignment with our thinking brain, or that we are in our thinking brain.